Y'all, welcome back to Desiree TV. So, today is a different type of video. If you hear a little music in the background, it's because my uncle is playing music, so I'm in another room. And the things you would need for this video is you need this, you need a needle and thread, some scissors, and 2 pairs of leggings. You can get these leggings from Walmart, and they only $4.44. $4.44. And yeah, we about to get into it. So in this video, I will be cutting these in half, and one leg will be black and another leg will be gray. So basically it's gonna be like mismatch legs, if that makes sense. So we about to get into it. So I'm hand sewing this, so it's gonna be cute. So we about to get up close and personal. Okay, right now I'm doing is straightening out the pants, making sure that the lines are matching up. But now I'm about to start cutting. It's a little hard to cut through the elastic thing, but just be careful. Make sure you're cutting on the exact butt crack line. On the exact line, y'all. Even turn around. Don't cut it while it's folded together. Like literally cut it like a paper, like all the way down. Don't cut it because it's folded. Don't cut it folded. Get all the way down to the bend. Then you're gonna take it half, put it on the other side. Then you're gonna cut the gray ones. I'm taking a stick and take it off. But now I'm gonna cut the gray ones just exactly how I cut the black ones. On that line. On that line. If you got some sharp scissors, you should just glide down. You see how I'm not cutting it as if it was flat together, as hamburger style, as they say in school. But I'm cutting it literally on the line. You don't want to get a crooked line, because then your butt crack line gonna be crooked. It's gonna mess up the whole thing. So then right now I'm trying to match up the legs. I'm turning it inside out because now I'm about to hand sew all this. So now I am making sure both of the backs of the leggings tagged to be in the back of your leggings is both on the same side. So they inside out right now, and I'm just sewing up that bend real tight and making sure it won't come apart. And I did sew this 2 times. Like I went all the way around one time, then went around again to make sure, you don't want no holes or nothing in your leggings. So right now that's all I'm doing is just sewing up this band. I'm about to be sewing down. Making sure y'all put knots in to hold it. But yep. The thread, make sure y'all got some I double the thread. If y'all don't know what that means, it's like where like you got 2 strings and it's both, I can't explain it, like it's 2 threads. It's not a single thread. If you know about sewing, it's not a single thread. I double thread it. Now I'm just going down at it and try to do an even line, y'all, because you don't want your butt crack line being all zigzaggy and wiggly and all that, like a curve. You want it to be straight down. That's how I'm doing right now. Y'all see that line looking perfect? It's good if you got some pins, so then you can hold your line in place. For people who ain't good by just freehanding it, like me, on certain stuff. You see what I'm saying? But try to make that line as straight as you can. Straight as you're going down. And all this was cheap. The leggings was cheap, $4.44. The little sewing kit was only $1, y'all, literally. Like, all this is cheap. Like, instead of going to Fashion Nova, make your own. It's so cheap. Now this, I'm showing y'all the line the straightest I can do. I'm sewing that middle part up real good. The reason why I'm not gonna show y'all again the other side of me doing the sewing, cause it's the same side as the other side. So just keep doing all the way around, keep going all the way around, keep going. Just sew all the way around. I went over it 2 times sewing it, cause making sure that line is really crispy and making sure that line is really strong enough. Make sure ain't no strings loose or nothing. Yeah, it's looking real good. Make sure y'all don't got no strings hanging. Now this is where I'm done sewing. It's showing that my line is really straight. So y'all probably like, so what happened? So after y'all sewed that one side, so I'm gonna turn them inside out for y'all so y'all can see what I did. What I did was how I sewed it. Going across, and I double sewed it. So that means I went back, sewed it again. All the way around. All the way around. Sewed the bands together. Then turn inside out. It was like this. And turn inside out just like this. Even. When I put them on the even, y'all will see in the video next. Okay. And the clip after this, that is even. Ain't no holes in it. The reason why you double stitch it is so no holes be in it. But now I'm gonna just make this one video. I was gonna do 2 videos, but at the bottom I'm about to make stacks at the bottom. So I'm gonna come back to y'all after I make one stack on one side, and then after that, after I do that, then I'm gonna show y'all how to do the other stack. So I hope y'all liking it so far. It's coming out good. I know this vlog look a little ratchet, a little over the place, but it's looking good. Okay, right here I'm showing you how far did I cut to make the stack at the bottom. How long was that stack? I'm showing you how long it is. And I did one stack. I did the black stack first. To have that done, I'm just gonna show you how to do the gray stack. It's the same on both sides. Make sure everything is lined up. I'm showing you now how long that stack is, how far it goes in the end of the legging. Now I'm showing you how long. You see how both of the stacks is the same and equal. They both equal, and have them lined up with the lines at the bottom. The ankle, have that lined up. Now I'm turning the stack inside out, and you see how I slipped it onto the legging like that? You want them ankles to be connected to each other like a rubber band together. See how it's open? You want them lines to connect how I'm showing y'all, and you're gonna get to sewing it. I sewed above the ankle line, as you can see, and you see how I'm putting my pin in there to show y'all to hold it in place. And I doubled threaded this too. And while y'all sewing, make sure y'all stretching the leggings at the same time so it won't get, your thread won't get balled up, and then your ankle part won't get so tight and stuck to that shape and how you had it. You just can't just sew. You gotta stretch it as you sewing so you can have room to put your foot in there. You see what I'm saying? Like, just don't sew it and then it's gonna have to be stuck in that one circle because you didn't stretch it as you sewing, if you get what I'm trying to say. So right here, I'm just showing y'all how I sewed it. You see, now I'm about to turn it inside out to see what the look looks like. You see that perfect line, y'all? Quit playing with me. I did so good. The lines match up. Look at the stack, period. It's so cute. I wanted to be different than the other YouTubers I've seen. They never did the mismatch leg. I think this is so cute. This is not a real outfit, y'all. This is just, I just put these pants on, these shoes on. I just put these pants with these shoes because these are the only shoes I had because I'm at my grandma's house right now. But yes, I just thought this was so cute. I hope y'all like it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all share this with y'all friends. Let me know in the comments if yours came out as cute as mine.